surprising manifestation secrets that will help you apply the secret and the law of attraction so that you can attract what you want quicker, faster, easier. You wake up in the morning and you say, whoa, I can't believe things in my life have changed this fast. This is amazing. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, and let's go right into this video. If you have not subscribed yet, be sure to hit the subscribe button right over there and hit the bell notification, because that's what's going to notify you for new videos. Subscribe, bell notification. Let's get right to the video. Number one, you must realize that there's a difference between wanting something and having it in consciousness. In the Bible, it said that to those who have, more will be given, and to those who have not, even what they have will be taken away. That's like the most metaphysical thing ever. What are they saying there? They're saying something very powerful. To the person that already has an abundance consciousness, more is going to be given to them. They're going to attract what they want because they have what they want in consciousness already. They've already convinced themselves in their mind they have it, therefore they will see it in their life. Versus to those who have not, even that which they have will be taken away. If you're in a place of wanting, what are you really doing? You're saying, I do not have what I want and I hope and I wish one day I'll get it. You're in a consciousness of have not. Have not. Therefore, even what you have will be taken away because you're going to attract more scarcity and limitation as a result of that. So, what's very important is to stop saying, I want, and start saying, I have. Stop saying, I want, and start saying, I have. What you're doing is, you've got to know that your conscious mind is only responsible for 5% of your life, and your subconscious, according to psychologists, is responsible for 95% of your life. 95% of your life is subconscious, below conscious. It's habitual. You aren't in charge of it. It's programmed, and then that program pattern controls everything that you create and attract into your life and the entirety of your life. And every word you're saying and every time you show up with a certain mentality to an experience, that programs your subconscious to dictate what you will attract into your life. So if you constantly are in a consciousness of, I really want more money, I really want my soulmate, what you're really doing is saying, I really don't have and it'd be nice if I did have it. Now, it's great to want things, but if you're constantly in a place of I want, you're really in a consciousness, just like it says in the Bible, of even that which they have will be taken away from them. That those who have, more will be given. You have to own it in consciousness before you see it in your life. And that's the big dilemma, mistake, and misunderstood concept of the law of attraction, is people say, I did my vision board. I do everything you say. I write my affirmations. But if you're in a consciousness of not having it, it doesn't matter what you do. And so you have to start replacing want with I have. I have money flowing to me every single day. I have amazing romantic relationships. It feels so good and complete. I have an amazing new job that allows me the time freedom. I have financial freedom. I'm paying off all my debt, and all the money to pay off my debt continuously comes into my life. Thank you, universe, for that. I'm now debt free. You talk like that. I have, I am. No more I want. You have to begin to have it in consciousness before you see it in your life. So comment down below, all I want already exists. Comment that down below. All I want already exists. Number two, you have to really understand the distinction between your conscious and subconscious that we spoke of earlier. And go about deliberately reprogramming your subconscious and rewiring your brain. Because it's not just that 95% of your life controls your subconscious. That subconscious ultimately controls the chemistry of your brain. Because every time you have a thought, a reaction, a perception, you're firing brain cells, you're firing nerve cells in your brain. There's a term in neuroscience, Hebb's law. brain cells that fire together wire together. So if you have an unconscious belief based off of something your parents told you or past failures, that money is the root of all evil, you're not smart enough to make money, there's no good jobs left, you're always going to be alone romantically because your last bunch of relationships have failed and you haven't been dating anyone or even went on a date in a year. If you do that, what you're doing is you're wiring your brain synapses to a very finite reality, so your brain is used to and begins to work like a machine to reaffirm that limited reality, because your brain doesn't know what you want. It just responds to however you're habitually thinking and emotionally reacting. So it's very important that you deliberately go about rewiring that. And that's why I always talk about my software, the second mind. I created a software, I call it the second mind, because the second mind is your brain and your subconscious wired to the reality that you want, versus your first mind, which is wired towards limitation and scarcity and lack. It's programmed by the world, and most people don't have what they want. They aren't that happy. There's so much struggle, and that's programmed into us at a very young age. That's your first mind versus your second mind, which is unconsciously wired towards what you want. So down below, you can demo my software, thesecondmind.com, for free. thesecondmind.com, right there down below. Let's head on to number 3. Number 3, practice being grateful for what you already have. You gotta practice being grateful for what you already have. Like, I'm so grateful for this shirt. Like, I love this shirt. It's comfortable. I think it was like 50 bucks. It's kind of expensive. I usually just like go to TJ Maxx and buy $3 shirts. But I like this shirt. I'm so grateful for it. I'm so grateful that I have the money for this amazing camera. It has face recognition, autofocus software that allows me to film myself. I'm so grateful that someone went about creating this. I'm so grateful for the iPhone. I'm so grateful that somebody went about and went against all odds and created this mark in human history that connects us all over the world through the internet and technology, because that's allowing you and I to interact right now. I'm so grateful for it. I'm so grateful for my health, that I got to exercise today, that I had the money to hire a personal trainer and work with them today. I'm so grateful for clean water. Oh, I thought I had my water right over there. I was going to show you. What are some things you're grateful for? Comment down one thing you are grateful for, and practice being grateful for what you already have. Go on a gratitude walk where you walk and literally all you're going to do is think about what you're grateful for. Write down 5 things you're grateful for. Comment one of them though down below. What's one thing you're grateful for? Practice gratitude for what you already have, because if you can't do that, it's going to be very difficult to get. If you are grateful for things in your life, it's very impossible to be in an energy of attracting more good things into your life. Number 4, affirm that you are worthy of all that you desire. Most people's biggest problem is they truly do not believe they are worthy of what they desire. Guess what? You wouldn't be alive if you weren't worthy of what you desire. You wouldn't be alive, conscious, in creation, this universal creation. You wouldn't be here if you weren't worthy of experiencing it. It's ludicrous to believe you aren't worthy of more money, or you aren't worthy of an amazing romantic relationship, that you aren't worthy of a job you like, or creating your own successful business, or having an amazing family, or living where you want to live, or driving what you want to drive. It is blasphemous. It is blasphemous that you're not worthy. Because you're alive, therefore you are worthy. You're a part of creation, awake, conscious, experiencing this creation. You're worthy of all that it has to offer. So comment down below, I am worthy of all that I desire. Do you understand that you're worthy of everything you desire? It doesn't matter what your parents used to say, bullies used to say, voices in your head tell you. It doesn't matter what none of that. It's all an illusion. It's all an illusion to distract you from the truth. And the truth is you're worthy of everything that you desire. You're a divine being. You are a divine being. Comment that down below. I am a divine being. Comment that down below. I am a divine being. Number 5, realize that quantum leaps happen fast. So don't convince yourself it's going to take forever. You know, I see people all the time, they're like, they want to do something and they say, I don't know, this might take forever though. And we put these imaginary time frames onto things. And what happens is that your subconscious and your brain create the exact reality that you impress upon it. So when you say something's going to take a while, it will take a while. So my YouTube channel went from 0 to 20 million views in just over a year. If I would have listened to reality, I would have set an expectation it would take me 10 years to get there. And that would have happened because I set that expectation. They're called quantum leaps. Albert Einstein said that imagination will take you anywhere, but logic will just keep you stuck in A to B. You need to get out of logic and understand that all you want already exists. Everything is energy. And when you get your consciousness fixated on the energy that you want, you're in a wealth consciousness, you will see money start to show up. When you're in an energy of appreciating all of your old relationships, even though they failed, when you're in an energy of love and your heart is open and you're being so receptive and loving to people, you will see new amazing relationships show up in your life fast. When you match the energy of what you want, things show up quicker and faster than you can ever expect. Why? Because they already exist. It's just that you have to get an energy harmony with them, and then you start to see them show up in your life. And so comment down below, I attract what I want fast. Comment down below, I attract what I want fast. Comment down below, I attract what I want fast. So this is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, inviting you to remember that you're a powerful being. You are the creator of your experience. Your thoughts create things, and you are worthy of what you want. You're deserving of what you want, and it can show up quicker and faster than you can even think. Make sure that you demo my software, The Second Mind, right there down below. The Second Mind, to program and rewire your brain and your subconscious to attract what you want quicker and faster and a lot easier. TheSecondMind.com, right there down below. Hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. The bell notification is what notifies you for new videos. Even if you already subscribed, please double check you've actually hit the bell notification. Subscribe, bell notification. Comment down below, I am worthy of all that I desire. Comment down below, I am worthy of all that I desire. Have a beautiful day. I appreciate you so much for watching these videos. Thank you for watching these videos. Please share these videos with other people that you know. Have a beautiful day. I'll talk to you soon. You are a powerful creator and amazing things are coming your way today. Start to expect them.